Hi guys, I'm Upaasana and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna be making this canopy that you are currently watching. So for this project, you're gonna need a hammer, a sheer cloth or sheer curtains, a hook or a nail, thread, scissors, a hula hoop, and some safety pins that I forgot to mention, and a measuring tape. So the first step is to cut the fabric. All you have to do is measure and cut the fabric into 4 parts depending on how long you want your fabric to be. And if you're going for curtains, then you can skip this step. So second step is to attach the fabric to the hula hoop. To be honest, I could have made curtains out of the cloth, but I was too lazy to do that. So instead I went ahead and attached it using the safety pins like this. Now the last step would be to hang it wherever you want and just attach some fairy lights to it, and now you have a dreamy and a beautiful canopy. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. If you do, then don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such DIYs and click the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. Till then, bye! The fabric that I used is, I don't know which one.